bushing is decent because none of them are tight anymore. But
yeah,
if they have a little bit, if they have a little wiggle,
out,
yeah.
If you get that basket out, you put a new bushing.
Replace it. Just replace it because 100%. They might have a little wiggle. A little wiggle. That's going to be enough for that vibration. Enough for that vibration. You don't want that. You don't want it. Just replace it.
I don't care if that sucker's 3 months old. We just did it.
It's really crazy because, like, if you change a hub on one of those VMW top load washers, like, just feel the basket. If you can move it any amount, that means that the basket's worn out, and it's just gonna wear the hub right back out. Just
hub, you change the bushing, or you
change. It don't matter. You throw a metal one, throw a metal hub on it. It's not gonna fix the problem. It's not gonna fix the problem. It's not.
Yeah, I don't.
It's just going to wear out on the gear case shaft, and now you can't do anything.
And something
so you can do both. You can do the bushing and the metal hub. That's like the best of all worlds. Yeah, because now it's I mean, if there's enough teeth left on the gear case shaft, I would still use a plastic one. But if the gear case shaft teeth are starting to wear down, I would 100% put a metal one on there because it's going to give it lots of life. Yeah.
So have you now, just a question, just because I feel like I got to be the thrower, the wrencher in there. Have you seen any longevity tests with the, I mean, that you know personally? I'm just asking because I'm curious. I mean, I don't know.
Well, I mean, so the hub itself is made to be sacrificial. Right. I think I got one.
It takes the hit. It takes the hit.
So that's what I'm saying. So when you turn that sacrificial part now into a super mutant, you get what I'm saying? Like it's going to start chewing up.
You throw some adamantium metal in there, and now it's good to go.
Yeah. I mean, unless it holds tight, you know what I mean? Like I was saying, like, what's the longevity? I wonder how long that lasts. I'm sure it's going to wear out, obviously, but
so there's your hub, right?
That's your plastic one right there.
Yes, that's your plastic one. That's like this is an aftermarket one, but the OEM's pretty close to the same thing.
That's Blue Star right there. Yeah.
No, it is not Blue Star. This is Choice, if anything. We don't buy it. Yeah. So this gear case itself, this has pretty good teeth on here. Yeah. This probably has at least 5 or 6 years of life left in the gear case itself. It is kind of foggy though, so I'd take a pick to it before I would do anything. But so this, whenever this hub is down on it, it's really tight still. And it's not just like tight where it won't move rotationally. It's tight to push it down on top of it. Because what ends up happening is as those teeth kind of wear out, and they all do over time. I mean, it's just pot metal. As those teeth wear down, you'll feel that this hub, when you push it down, is not as tight as if all the teeth were present, right? So it has lots of surface area where the teeth of this are fitting inside of the gear case. It's whenever these guys start to wear away and there's less surface area touching the hub, it'll wear out faster.
Do that again, get it to focus on that hub. Because you can see it really clear, and I want everybody
there we go.
What I'm saying. Okay, now put
there's splines.
Let's see the trans case a little bit closer real quick.
That looks good. Yeah, those splines look good.
Yeah, do it.
Don't hit the camera now.
Okay, it's got splines. You get it. Everyone's seen a gear case.
Splines,
Splines are here. Boom. So splines are here. There's little splines, and then this guy just sits down inside of it super tight. But if this gets loose, if this is loose to the gear case, even if it's rotationally still tight, if it's loose going in and out, that means there's less surface area touching on this guy and the splines. That's whenever I would consider a metal hub.
Yeah, because that's going to bite.
Yeah, the metal hub is going to cinch down because that little tightener thing, it cinches down on the gear case. It's going to wear out faster. Like, this is made to be a sacrificial part. This is made to wear out before this does. So this has lots of life in it if it's tight, but if it's loose, it's going to wear down rotationally a lot faster. Yeah. But I see techs all the time where they replace the hub and the basket's still all wobbly. I'm like, dude, it's gonna go like this, and it's gonna wear down way faster.
Before the basket bushing came out, I was running some metal ones. I actually cracked the metal ones because it was shaking, vibrating. Yeah. It actually cracked them. I was like, wow, this didn't work.
Yep.
It was a slow progression. It was a really slow progression. We had the Neanderthal era, and we started creeping up into what we are now.